crinkle paper. What can I say about crinkle paper? This is a 10.5 ounces of crinkle cut paper filler for crafts or gift baskets. It definitely arrived compact. This is how it arrived. And as you can see, I've been playing with it and it fluffs up really quick. This is going to be perfect padding for my boo basket, or as always, gift boxes, hostess, you know, gifts without shedding everywhere. Why I went with this one, number one, great volume when fluffed. You could see I just started it, and one bag is going to easily fill multiple medium gift bags or a larger gift basket liner, which is what I'm going to use it for. This is definitely very sturdy and springy little strips, as you can see. Doesn't really make much mess, and I'm confident that if I put a fragile item in here, it is going to cushion it adequately. I like the clean look, no odor whatsoever. It gives me that boutique, earthy vibe, and it's going to photograph well if I want to take a pic of it in the boo basket. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Simple, reliable, generous coverage. So if you're building a boo basket or any kind of holiday basket, this is going to be an easy win that's going to make everything look polished and well packed.